not subscribed to my channel, guys, what are you waiting for? Please do. So much for maintenance vlog. Church was good as always. My hair and my nails for 100k, or the shirt with the pants and these are shoes. What do you guys think I'm going to wear? Oh, be quiet. I'm a better now. Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lynn. Please subscribe to join the tribe. Welcome to another episode on my Vlogmas series today. So this Saturday morning, before I decided to go to the salon, I had to cut a dress I wanted to wear to go out on Sunday because they were having some repairs downstairs. So I just used that time to try to make the dress. I ordered for some beads online to help complement the dress and they came in. Do you guys know that later on I realized that these were not the sizes and color I wanted? But anyways, I still proceeded to cut the dress because I couldn't waste any more time. Today I'm going to take out my braids and possibly get my hair done and my nails, and yeah, it's gonna be a weekend vlog as well. So it's not spraying. So let's go. Oh well, hold on now. But don't carry everything where you need. I was supposed to step out to go unbraid my hair and I went downstairs and can you imagine, this guy was not done with the work he told me he was done with. So I had to wait for him. So instead of wasting my time, because time was already fast spent, I had to start unbraiding my hair myself, which I actually hate. I've almost basically gone half of this hair. Now, start leaving now because I'm tired. So back it and see. It's still going to show. You shine? Oh, good now. Let me grab it. Okay. Let's go to the salon. Oh, the sun. This sun wants to kiss somebody. See my front hair.
But she used only there.
They took light at the salon, like they literally took the light. So I had to, when she applied the gel, she was like, oh, she cannot put me in the dryer because there's no light. So I had to come back home. And guess what? The electrician I was waiting for actually fixed the light, but the sockets were not working. Wait. Come inside. And the sockets were not working. So what that meant was that, welcome. So what that meant was that I couldn't blow dry my hair when I came back because the sockets were not working, and I wanted to make a dress ASAP, the one I was cutting, to wear out. I couldn't sew it either, and I was like, what am I supposed to wear? Anyways, I basically called it a day, and so I was so upset I couldn't even make a video. I just went to go and sleep because I had other things to do. And all I shall open our lips. Incline my aid, O Lord. Glory be to the Father, and to the Son, and to the Holy Spirit. For His mercy endureth forever. Amen. You know what it is. It's another Sunday. I just finished from church. Happy Sunday, guys. Or happy whatever day this video goes up. Yeah, church was good as always. That's why I'm super excited. And today gonna be a content creation making day, so watch out. I'm glowing. Oh my goodness. Okay, today we actually did the march against sexual gender violence, but I didn't go. Don't judge me. Mommy, come and say happy Sunday.
Happy Sunday, babe. Happy Sunday.
Let's go. Son. Hi. How you guys doing? I didn't pray that my mic has, will I say, it's charged enough for this event. So we already planned to eat out today as a family, so I just had to start getting ready immediately after church, and I started creating content for my YouTube. If you guys have not checked out my skincare routine video, it has dropped. Do well to check it out. I'm done with my makeup. This whole place is a mess. But you guys, what Hamatan cannot do does not exist. Like, I washed this clothes after church at 9, and look, it's dried. Let's get ready. I made this myself actually, so let's get dressed up. My options: these two pieces, skirt and the shirt, or the shirt with the pants, and these are shoes. What do you guys think I'm going to wear? Guest pants. You're right. Ha! This is not looking like outside. So we just arrived. Can you guys see how this sun is sitting on my skin? Forget it. So we are Tom's Dining in town, and just with our order, so it's about food. I'm so excited to try what they have. If you're not subscribed to my channel, guys, what are you waiting for? Please do. How much do you think the bill will be? 1 million. What did you eat?
How much do you think the bill will be, Lane?
Like 50k around there.
I better get out, you have to drive.
Like, the food was really good. This lunch was actually really good. Like, I ate to my satisfaction. Because of that, I had to do a whole review on the food and the place we went to. So be sure to tune in tomorrow because the video will be dropping, okay? Alright. About to do my outro. Why is there no sun? Okay, guys. this marks the end of the video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you on the next vlog. Bye.